In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to highlight text on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just highlight over whatever text you want to make highlighted. And you can select the little icon that says text highlight color right here as a little pen. You can change that, and then selecting the drop down, you can select a different color you want for the highlight color. Or you can also access this through the Home tab up at the top, and then it should be the same text color icon up here. Again, you can select different colors if you want, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.